Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make a special chicken kadai. This is an easy and delicious recipe, but the cooking style is slightly different. Without further delay, let's get started. The ingredients that we need are 1 kg of chicken. I have already marinated it. I will show it later in the video. 1 medium-sized onion, around this much of ginger, 7 to 8 garlic pods and 9 to 10 green chilies. Cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander powder, salt. We also need half a bundle of fresh coriander leaves, some Pudina leaves and a fistful of cashew nuts. Let's first marinate the chicken. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken cut into medium-sized pieces. Into this, I am adding the juice of half a lemon, and salt. Here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and rest it around 1.5 hours in the refrigerator. Into the blender, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. You can also use coriander seeds here. If you are using coriander seeds, add 1.5 teaspoon coriander seeds. Blend this into a coarse powder and keep it aside. Again into the blender, add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Blend this into a smooth paste, adding very less water. Add this to the previously crushed masala powder along with half a cup of water. Mix well and keep aside. In this recipe, we are using very less spices. Let's quickly chop onions, coriander leaves and Pudina leaves. Into the pan, add oil. When the oil gets hot, add onions and saute well until it is golden brown in color. Add some salt also to make it cook faster. This can take around 5 to 10 minutes. The onions can also be deep fried instead, but here I am trying to use as much less oil as possible. At this stage, we will take the onions out. Into the blender, add cashew nuts and blend it into a smooth paste, adding enough water. Into the cashew nut paste, add the fried onions and again blend it into a smooth paste, adding required amount of water. We will keep this aside. Into the pan, add oil. When the oil gets hot, add chicken pieces and fry for around 1 minute on one side. Now turn the side and again fry for 1 minute. By doing this, the fleshy color of the meat gets changed to slight white color. Add chili, garlic and ginger paste with spice powders and water that we prepared earlier. From this point onwards, we are cooking in high flame without covering so that the water content gets evaporated fast. Keep stirring in between. Now the gravy seems to have reduced considerably. At this point, we will add 1 cup of beaten curd. I forgot to mention curd in the beginning while I was talking about the ingredients needed for this dish. The curd is not at all sour. Keep stirring initially as there is a chance that the curd might get split. Here also we will keep it in high flame, uncovered, and stirring in between until the gravy thickens. Now we will add chopped coriander and Pudina leaves. The curd has almost dried out now. At this point, we will add cashew nut and onion paste. Add as much water as required. Here I am using this as a side dish for chapati, so I wanted a thicker gravy. This is a very tasty and easy dish to make. Once you have adjusted the water, cover and cook for a while, stirring occasionally. Garnish it with coriander leaves.